Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to put a 2017 Ford E-Series 350 Super Duty. It's a van. It's a big old van. So when you get in, you'll see something like this. It's underneath the steering column, right? What you'll do, you put your hand, it goes up like this, right? You put your hand under here and you can pull it down like this, right? And when you're looking in here on the inside, let me show you. Let me get this a little closer here. On the inside, you'll see a little tiny switch right here, and you can pull it like that, right? So all you do is just pull this down and push the brake in, and you'll be able to put it in neutral. Worked for me, should work for you as well. But yeah, this is pretty, it actually took me a little minute to figure it out, but yeah, I figured it out, and that's the neutral override switch right here. Just pull this all the way down, like all the way down as far as you can get it to go down. It's only going down so easy like this because I already have it in neutral. So you just pull this down, give it a little pull, good little pull, and put it in neutral, and there you go, you're in neutral. And thanks guys, y'all have a good one. Like and subscribe. Take care.